So, lalagay tayo ngayon sa vault ng Worldcoin. So, for example, 4. Sige. Tapos yung makukuha natin within 3 days. $6. May tubo siyang 2 lang. Okay, try natin. Tapos, period. So, work products. Okay. Confirm. Then, done. Ayan. So, 3 days.